Hey guys, in this video we're gonna show you how to remove the bumper of a Gen 5 Camaro and how to remove the headlights as well. Once you pop open the hood, you will see these push pin things that are holding the weather stripping. So you will need to remove all of these. There's a special tool to do that, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use the set of pliers. Once you have all the clips removed, there's a 10mm bolt on each side, passenger and driver, so you need to remove both of these. With all the bolts and the clips from the top removed, now you need to remove 3 screws from behind the fender liner. For that, you need to turn the wheels for easy access. Once you're done with the fender liner screws, there's another screw that you need to remove that is behind the liner. So you can just pry it open and remove it afterwards like this. Also remove all the visible screws that are below the bumper. They are connecting a plastic piece and the bumper together. Once you have them removed, you can just remove the plastic piece and take the bumper off. So the screws that I'm going to show you now are the hardest ones. So some people prefer to take the wheel off for these, but I find it easier just to pry my hand behind the fender liner and remove these. There's one at this spot, one here, and one behind the corner around here. I'm quickly going to show you all the spots where you need to remove the screws and the bolts from. So just follow where my finger is going, and those are the spots that you need. To take the headlights off, you just need to remove these 2 screws from the top and 2 at the bottom, and it's the same process for the other side.